Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Farmacy Honey Cloud Lightweight Barrier Repair Moisturizer, which looks like this. Farmacy actually sent this to me a while ago, and I am just now getting to share this review with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who has been practicing for over 10 years. I do love to test and review skincare products, and if you also love product reviews, feel free to subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future uploads. Farmacy describes this as a fragrance-free cloud-like cream that locks in fast-absorbing, breathable moisture while also strengthening your skin's barrier. You can find Honey Cloud at farmacybeauty.com and Sephora. As of the date that I am filming this, a 1.7 ounce unit like this retails for $48. Farmacy suggests that you start with your favorite cleanser, apply directly onto skin with the included spatula, which is also magnetic. Oh. Oops. You want to gently spread an even layer across the whole face, and then you want to pat to absorb. Honey Cloud is loaded with some of the best hydrators and anti-agers available. Peptides, ectoin, and hyaluronic acid hydrate the different layers of your skin as they repair your skin's barrier. I feel like I've been seeing ectoin everywhere. Ectoin is an anti-aging, hydrating antioxidant that reduces moisture loss, boosts hydration, and helps soothe skin and support a healthy skin barrier. I will link my recent Paula's Choice Ectoin Booster review, which looks like this. Mine is literally like, I probably have like one application left, but this is what the product looks like. So I'll link my review to that product up above, just in case you want to learn more about that specific product, or perhaps looking for a hydrator, strengthening serum. This also contains chamomile, which helps to soothe the skin. Sodium hyaluronate hydrates, soothes, and is more readily absorbed by the skin than your hyaluronic acid. I have been using Honey Cloud for a few months now. Initially, I was surprised by its lightweight consistency. It's a lot lighter than Honey Halo, but creamier than Daily Greens. Daily Greens is one I recommend to normal combo skin, but most importantly, oily skin. Initially, I used this at night, but as temperatures dipped, I found myself using this during the day as well. Overtop Drunk Elephant's Seaforma Fresh and PCA Skin's X Linea Pro Peptide Serum. I will link my review to that serum up above. Upon introduction, I noticed a smoother, hydrated, plumper skin. I have used a number of moisturizers throughout the years, and I do simply want to compare Honey Cloud to the other moisturizers within Farmacy Beauty's range. In case perhaps you are on the fence and don't know which one to add to cart. Daily Greens is a gel, which is oil-free, lightweight, hydrating as well. I do have normal skin, and I do prefer gel-based moisturizers for daytime use during the summer. However, I do strongly recommend Daily Greens to anyone with oily, very oily, even congested skin who also wants to manage shine. Daily Greens also includes hyaluronic acid, moringa, niacinamide, and papaya. Honey Halo, on the other hand, is perfect for dry, very dry, chapped skin, mature skin even, anyone with sensitive skin as well. I have normal skin, and I'd reach for Honey Halo primarily during winter, California winter months, where temperatures have dipped and the air is dry. I do love that Honey Halo includes plant-based ceramides that replenish your skin's barrier, and buckwheat honey, an antioxidant that also hydrates skin. So essentially, think of Honey Halo as very rich and healing, soothing product. From daily and nightly use, I have noticed hydrated, strengthened, soothed skin. This did not clog, congest, cause any breakouts, or irritation. This worked well with a number of serums without pilling, and when used during the day, it did not interfere with the performance of my makeup. During warmer temperatures, which we have had here in LA, even during winter, it did not make my skin feel excessively oily, greasy, or heavy at the end of the day. During the day, this also worked very well with multiple sunscreens, mineral, chemical, all with different finishes. I did not use this with a facial oil, and my favorite way to use this was, of course, at night. I would cleanse with the PCA cleansing oil, follow that with the Crave Beauty Matcha Cleanser, tone with Farmacy's Honey Milk, which is one of my favorite Farmacy beauty products. So I will link my review to that up above in case you are looking for a lightweight, hydrating, repairing, soothing essence as well. I do think I remember that including chamomile in there as well, which I really enjoy. So link that up above in case you would like to learn a little bit more about that. So I would follow that with my favorite eye serums, eye creams, and then I'd apply the Paula's Choice Cellular Youth Longevity Serum. I will link my review to that up above. And then I'd follow it with a lovely layer of the Farmacy Honey Cloud Moisturizer. And of course, call it a day. I would recommend this to anyone with normal combo oily skin. I think would do a-okay with this. Anyone who may have tried Honey Halo, also by Farmacy, and may have found that to be a little too rich, a little too heavy. Sensitive skin may also enjoy this as it is fragrance-free, essential oil-free, and alcohol-free. I love that this is lightweight, non-greasy, soothing, comforting, hydrating. Love that it's fragrance-free as well. And from all of the moisturizers currently available within the Farmacy Beauty range, I think that this is best suited for normal skin like mine. Cons, I don't really have any. I do like that they include a spatula and that it's magnetic. I tend to, be very spatial, forget that they exist, but the magnet here really helps so that, she just doesn't walk away. So I am rating this a 9 out of 10. Love the ingredients and the feel. It is not sticky at all, and just how it makes my skin feel hydrated. I think that this is ideal for those who perhaps are using a lot of active serums in their daytime and nighttime routine, and is looking for a lightweight serum to help strengthen, hydrate, and lock in moisture. Let me know if you have used this product by Farmacy in the comments down below. What's your skin type? What were your results? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let us discuss in the comments down below. That is all I have for you all today. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Be sure to like the video if you learned something new today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Which is also magnetic, and I just filmed it, so let me just... And be sure to, you want to gently split, magnetic, it's magnetic. Honey Cloud is loaded